Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DOLV. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price action, from the quote-unquote storybook perspective, the bears definitely made a very big dent in the chart. And I'll be honest, a surprising dent. I didn't think it would unfold like it did, and kind of collapse like it did. But we'll see if the bulls can put something new together. The main point being right up here at 0.055. I'm not going to beat the dead horse, but I pointed out in the video from Monday that several times, the price had done a great job of holding above it. So without question, it was a key level of support. So given that the price gap below it, that was kind of the first surprising thing. But to see it come all the way down to this next level of support, 0.046, was surprising. I didn't, think that would happen in a single 30-minute session, let alone really a single day. But that not only happened, but then the kicker was the price actually closed well below there. So it broke 2 key levels of support in the same day. Now, am I saying that therefore this is guaranteed to go down to 0001? I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying that observing the price action, from the story perspective, which is how I view charts, the bears had a very good day. And now the bulls, need to start to stabilize things out. So from a foundational principle in charting, the first update here that needs to be done, and this just comes from, charting 101, when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 0.046 was an area of support going into today, but with the price now below it, on any sort of bounce, 0.046 is going to need to be that first hurdle that is cleared. But in my opinion, bouncing and breaking levels of resistance, not really the key priority right now. Key priority is just simply trying to stabilize. So for that, we need to scrunch up the chart here and try to figure out where some next potential stabilization points are. Oh wow. So as you can see, the price has not been down this low for a very, very long time. So there we go. So where is the next potential area of support? And for this, we are going way back into the charts history, and that is the bottom of that former channel down there at 0.038. 0.038 is coming from, let's see, back here where you can see that there is this channel here that formed, and multiple times the bears try to press down through it and then ultimately could not. And then actually 0.038 is where this really nice bounce happened. Right. Whoops, that's not what I meant. Right there, this very nice bounce happened and then really just continued on up. But like I said, right now, bouncing, breaking levels of resistance. Right now, stabilization is the key word, and 0.038 is that next potential point where, according to the past history of the chart, it could stabilize out. So we'll see what happens the remainder of the week. Still 2 days left. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.